Hello there! In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control in a Mark II Skoda Octavia. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, cruise control lets the car automatically maintain a speed of your choice and it's easy to use. To get started, first locate this wand on the left of the steering wheel. Next, note this switch at the top of the wand. This switch has 3 positions. There's off on the right where it is now, cancel in the middle and on at the left. We need to move this switch to the on position, like so. Now accelerate to your favoured speed. For cruise control to work, this has to be at least 20 miles per hour in the UK or at least 30 kilometers per hour elsewhere. These figures come from the Skoda owner's manual. Once you've reached your favoured speed, briefly press the set/minus button on the wand, like so, and the car will now automatically maintain that speed. Confirmation a speed's been set comes via this green light in the instrument cluster. Now, if after a while you want to reduce your favoured speed, return to the set/minus button. Pressing this button briefly, like so, reduces the car's speed by roughly 1 mile per hour. So you can press it again, there's another mile per hour, and again, and again, and again. Alternatively, you can hold that button down, like so, until the car drops to your new favoured speed and then release the button. In contrast, if you want to increase your car's speed, use the resume/plus button, that's this one here. So pressing it briefly slightly increases the car's speed, or as before, you can hold the button down, wait till the car reaches your new higher favoured speed and then release it. Later on, when you want to temporarily cancel cruise control, you have 3 options. Option number 1 is to press the brake pedal. Option 2 is to press the clutch pedal, assuming, of course, that your car has manual transmission. Option 3 is to move the switch on top of the wand to the cancel position, which is there, and then when you release it, it will automatically spring back to the on position, like so. However you choose to temporarily cancel cruise control, you can reinstate your favoured speed by briefly pressing the resume button. Just like that. Also, when you're completely done with cruise control and want to completely deactivate the system, simply slide this switch here all the way to the off position. Just like so. But that's not all. There are a few important final points to consider. For example, the car may inadvertently accelerate beyond your favoured speed if you're going down a steep hill. Why? Because the system cannot fully compensate for the force of gravity pulling it towards the bottom. In this scenario, simply slow the car down yourself. Also, if the cruise control is set to, say, 40 miles per hour, you can increase the speed to, say, 50 by pressing the accelerator. Then, when you release the accelerator, the car will automatically slow back down to 40 and maintain that speed. This assumes that you don't exceed that preset speed by too much for too long. Anyway, that's it, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV, that makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.